Today I'm looking at the Koken Attack Driver AN112A. It is a set with 4 bits in it and the driver itself. Made in Japan. Comes in a red case, metal. There's the driver itself. Bit of foam. In case you forget what it is, says that on the inside of the lid, and shows you get the cross number 2 and 3 and the flathead 1.6 by 9, 1.6 by 11. Driver itself, as you'd expect from a handheld impact driver, it's quite heavy. Koken Attack Driver. See, it says R there, L there. Twist between the two, that's quite firm. And under the bit holder you can see it's got a 1/2 inch square drive with a retaining ball and the little arrow indicating whether you're twisting left or right when you hit it. Quite sturdy. See, Koken bit. It's very firmly held in there. I mostly use these for getting stuck screws out of vice jaws, but I'm interested to try them on some stuck JIS screws in a set of Honda carbs. I've previously used Vessel JIS bits for that, so I'll be interested to see how these ones go with that. So let's see. Stuck here, let's have a go. Okay, that seems pretty good. Try the other one. Easy. In use, it's easy to use. There's good grip provided by the indentations along here. It certainly has done the job on all the bolts I've asked it to remove so far. It doesn't seem to have any issues with the JIS bolts with the provided bits. This specific driver is a 4112N. You can see it made in Japan there. The set is the AN112A. So the specific part number for the driver is 4112N, because you can get sets with different selections of bits and whatnot. Well worth a look. It's really nice to use. It certainly works well. It seems really well made. The finish is nice. It looks good, and has been working really well so far. Certainly a lot better than the really cheap ones I've had in the past. So highly recommend it. Check it out.